Yo, what's up, squad? Check it out. I'm going to make this real quick, real light, and I need your help. Welcome back to Net 51. I'm Q. Let's get into it. I need someone in this virtual stratosphere to come into my comments and give me the recipe to this. Oh my God. This is heaven. For those of you who don't know what you're looking at, this is a seafood gumbo. Not a jambalaya, not a stew. This is a gumbo. Now, if you don't want to come into the comments and leave your personal recipe on the comments, feel free to DM me. Or let me know how much I would have to pay you to make a pot of this. That works too. Either way, I got to have it. And until then, damn it, I'm hungry now. Just let me know something. Holla.
Back and I'm better than ever. Whoa. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. Yeah. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I can let up.